Part 2, Day 1, Costa Serena Cruise. Exploring ship activities.
We have two kind of discounts, depend on what you want. We have package include everyday spa. Our spa is $59 one day.
One
but
day.
in the package, you can enjoy every day until we arrive Manila. And another is our normal menu. Because today is vacation day, if you book any massage, you can have $50 discount. For example, 50 minutes.
less.
No, 50 minutes. Sorry, this is the time. 50 minutes, we do the back and the leg. It's 179. Minus 50 is 129.
129.
And
What else?
stone massage is good for blood circulation.
Aroma.
Deep tissue is very strong massage. Our best is seaweed for body detox.
Okay.
Body detox.
Body detox.
Yes, we use the seaweed to rub your whole body, take shower, then do massage. The air-clean seaweed will remove the acid.
How about that one?
$49.
Hairstyling.
For 45 p.m. to Fitness GAG. Activities for adults, Lido Seoul, Deck 9 and 10. $5:30 to 6 p.m. Party with Squawk for kids, Disco Deck 4.
And then meron tayong isang risotto at saka isang pasta na palabok with triangle. And then 4 main course po.
Ito main course.
But you can eat whatever you want po, kahit po ilan, wala pong problema ha. And then meron po tayong 3 dessert. Yung pinakadulo po, sugar free.
Oh, sugar.
Dito na lang po tayo, ma'am.